Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how you can fix your Bluetooth problem if devices are not connecting, not showing in the available devices. You can see I'm trying one speaker and it is not connecting to it because it is not showing in the available devices. How you can click on this uh, and how you can solve this problem. So let's begin and start the video. I'm showing in the Mi Note 14 5G smartphone. So let's click on apps. Here it is, manage apps. You have to tap on here, then you have to click on search apps. Here you have to type Android. Then you have to scroll down. Here you will see Android system. Just tap on here, click on clear cache. It will clear it, and then you have to click on this cross. Then again you have to write over here Google. Scroll down like this and you will see here it is Google Play Services. Just tap on here and you will see here it is clear data. You have to tap on here, click on clear cache, then press OK. Then again one more step you have to do is just press back, then scroll down. Here it is additional search. You can go here also, or you can search it in this. Just type here reset and click on reset this Wi-Fi network and Bluetooth. Click on here, click on reset setting, draw your pattern, that is default password of your lock screen password. Then you have to click on want to reset. This might take several seconds. You won't be able to undo this action, so you have to press on OK. And friends, it's done. Your Bluetooth settings has been reset successfully. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.